None of us would like to give a birthday celebrant or someone celebrating a milestone of his or her life with a gift that came all the way from your closet. Wala naman pong magre-regalo ng maalikabok na, yung galing na sa inyong mga aparador o isang bagay na luma na at least alam ninyong luma. Rather, we save, buy, and take something new to that person whom we love or to that person who celebrates such milestone. We give something fresh and beautiful to that person we owe a lot and whom we love. My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus in our gospel today gave a parable about the new cloak and the new wine. Hindi magandang ilagay ang bagong tela sa lumang tela. Hindi magandang ilagay ang bagong alak sa lumang sisidlan o lalagyan. Something new, something fresh, something beautiful is given unto us. And we cannot but take a look how God has been good to us by offering us such things. Something new, something beautiful, something fresh. And this is the good news for all of us today. God will never get tired of giving out new things, beautiful things, and fresh things for us. Every day is a new day. Every day is a new chance. Every day is another opportunity to love and serve others. Every day is a press button to a fresh start from the wrong that we have done. Biyaya ang mga bagong araw, ang mga sariwang pagkakataon, ang mga magagandang bagay sa buhay na ito. Because then, God would not give us something that is old and obsolete, but always something new. We may say, I am a sinful person, I am a darkened person, I am an old wineskin, unworthy to receive this new wine in my life. But my dear brothers and sisters, every day, God never gets tired of giving us and of being generous with always something new. With the Sacred Heart of Jesus, whom we all celebrate and remember today, let our hearts be able to receive and appreciate new things from God. To this God who never gets tired of giving us good, beautiful, fresh, and new things for our lives.